Hi, I'm Chris Cramer at Bill Cramer Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC, and today we're going to give you a quick step-by-step process of how to change your key fob battery. First, you'll need to remove the spare key housed in the fob if it applies. Then, with a small coin or flathead screwdriver, pry apart the two halves of the fob, creating two separate pieces. The small, coin-like battery should be centrally located in one of the two halves. Simply remove the battery and replace using the same type of battery. The battery type can be found in the owner's manual or on the battery itself. Once the battery has been replaced, reconnect the two pieces of your fob. Push down so pieces snap back in place securely over the battery. If applicable, screw the two pieces back in place. Finally, test your key fob. It should work right away. If it doesn't, the battery may be upside down or the fob may be broken. We're also happy to help change your key fob battery when you stop at Bill Cramer Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC on the corner of Frankfort and 23rd in Panama City.